how to set up overdraft protection on Chase Bank. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to set up overdraft protection on your Chase Bank account. Alright, so let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up the Chase Bank app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, tap on the checking account where you want to enable overdraft protection. Then scroll down to the bottom of the screen until you find the Account Services section and select Overdraft Protection. Next, tap on the Choose Account option and select the account you want to protect. After that, check the box confirming that you've read and agreed to the terms and conditions. Then tap Update Protection to complete the setup. So that's basically how you can set up overdraft protection on your Chase Bank account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.